You just follow this 2.2 miles to Bear Hollow Road. Park here on the right. Like I said, if you're coming from White Rock Mountain Overlook. Anyway, then it's 2 miles to the falls and 2 miles back. It's on a four-wheeler trail, so if you have your ATVs, you probably just ride another four-wheeler trail. So I believe what we do.
Paint a picture, let me take you there. Come on, I got you. One look, you can't help but stare. Milk and honey flowing everywhere. Well, they're my favorite servant, that's a perfect pair. That's what every soldier wanna hear. I know a place, let me take you there. I know a place, ain't nobody crying. I know a place, ain't nobody dying. Real talk, I know you think I'm lying, but that's my home and I'm out here trying. To get there, so they crucifying. On my knees, he is supplying. Made in his image, ain't no denying. God first with an underlining. Press on, I'ma keep on climbing. Focus, ain't